Hello everyone. Today we got ourselves the original Fallout from 1997 here, and I thought it would be fun to attempt to install it on Windows 11. Recently I took advantage of the Bethesda sale on Steam and purchased one of the more modern Fallout games and played it, and I thought it was quite a bit of fun. So I thought, why not try to install the original and see if it works on Windows 11 and experience it a little bit. So yeah, let's throw it in the computer and see what happens. Alright, we got the disk inside the computer, so let's open up our files and take a look. Alright, so we got options for DirectX here. We got ourselves a setup file. Let's try to run it. It's gonna let us run it. Let's see. Ooh, this is a good sign. We can choose our install type. Let's go with enormous. Maybe we'll put it all on the computer. Alright, let's let it install. Oh, looks like it broke the menu here. Oh, there it goes, fix itself. Alright, let's go down to our PC here then, and go to the file, and try to run it. To play Fallout. Will it work? Gotta be the easiest install ever if this just works. Probably because it's 32-bit, I gotta guess. Because it got some 3D-ish stuff. But then again, Lego Islands had 16-bit stuff. Let's do new game. Hope we get checked. Pick a person. Let's modify this goober. Let's start with charisma. There we go.
You're here. Good. We've got a problem. A big one. The controller chip for our water purification system is giving up the ghost. Can't make another one, and the process is too complicated for a workaround system.
Like a PCI slot, but then it has a
put,
spark plug. Maybe
we're running out of drinking water.
Like 6090.
No water, no vault. This is crucial. I think you're the only hope we have. We estimate we have
150 days. Alrighty. So, just walk around. The rats. Oh yeah, rats attacked me. Kick him. I missed. Wow. Do it again. Wow, I just hit a rat. It has a period. It's like, wow, I can't believe you hit the rat. Oh boy. Let's end combat. Let's go this way. Oh shoot, the rats are back. Beat the rat. Hit him again. Beating the rats is not a solution anymore, I guess. Oh, the rats are surrounding me. Let's let's move. Shoot. Shoot her out, I guess. Oh, that worked. Get that one. What happened? Scream at black. Let's close that out. Oh, the game crashed. That's not a good start. I mean, it was playing a bit here. Suppose we can try it one more time. Alright, let's run this thing again. Not enough hard drive space. What? Requires at least 20 megabytes of free hard drive space. There should be plenty of hard drive space. What's going on here? Is the hard drive screwing up on this computer again? That's one issue this computer's had, is had kind of a weird issues with the SSD. I can't find any errors and stuff with it, but it just gives me weird memory errors sometimes. If we go back out and run setup here. Sure. Yeah, it says it has 2,147 megabytes free. Let's just do the small install and see what happens now. Gotta say, this is the first game that actually worked. That worked correctly. Why is it throwing me that error? Alright, let's try this goober here. How am I going to Internet Explorer? There we go. Fallout. Not enough hard drive space. Fallout requires at least 200 megabytes. Is it because I have too much hard drive space? Because that'd be kind of funny. Run as administrator. Nope. Alright. How about we go to more options? No, I don't want to see that. Let me click on it. Let's go more options. Alright, run this compatibility mode for Windows 98 ME, whatever. Maybe we'll remove the memory error? Yes. Well, that apparently fixed the memory error, I guess. So, make sure you do that. I was surprised that it even worked in the first place, so I'm pretty sure I died, so let's try this again. Oh no, if I did die, let's just load this. Oh, but it didn't save it. Alright, let's just create someone. Alright, let's play this thing. Let's try again before I die. Can I loot this person here? I see bones. I searched the bones. Yes, it's got a knife and some bolts. Nice. Swing it. How did I miss again? End the turn. What's going on? The screen keeps going blank. Does not like it when the rats hit me. And now we don't have Windows key. Pull up. Task manager. Nothing. Just escape. Oh. Did we crash? Oh, the game crashed. No errors. This is weird. Oh, there we go. We got something. Did this operate correctly? It did not. Let's try. It's weird how it's running and then just randomly crashes. Well, if we go. Let's go Service Pack 3. And that works. Build my game. Doesn't renumber again. Thank you. It's so funny the rat crashes the game. The rat hits me. You know what? This would be the ultimate like speedrun thing or whatever. We're going to do like no hit. This game's got it built in. If you get hit by the rat, the game crashes. Come on, let me out of the game. I don't know why it crashes though. It gave me that one memory error, but all I can think is it's something related to just my computer just having that weird SSD problems sometimes. What if I just try to install it one more time? Or maybe it's because we don't have DirectX 5. I mean, we got modern DirectX, but... Let's try this one more time. And we're gonna go followed. Right. Alright, go. And guess what? We're gonna have to make a new person, but we're just gonna take this guy. Do it. Do it. Crash the game again. It does. The fact that the rat crashes the game is so funny. You know what? I'm gonna try something. I'm having too much fun with the rat crashing the game. Rob this man. He's already dead. So we got the gun here. Let's shoot the rat. So if I don't get killed or take damage, this is literally just no hit whatever. This gun's garbage. I can't shoot anything with it. Hit the rat. Hit the rat. Hit the rat. Oh. Alright, I'm having too much fun with the game crashing. Alright, well, I unlocked the best way to play this game for like a no-hit run sort of deal. And I have hardly played Fallout, so it's probably not the best way to learn the game. But I mean, I guess it'd be technically pretty good if I beat the game without getting hit. I just don't get why I got so far the first time. Most I didn't get hit, but I thought I did. How about, why don't you give me a second here? I'll look into it a little bit, see if there's anything related to that I can find. Alright, well, looking into this, I can't find the exact same problem that we're having here. But someone has something similar here where it says crash when injured. They're talking that they have the problem on Mac OS and Steam Deck. So maybe it's potentially related to something similar to this here, what they're having. But then again, yeah, they're talking about playing on Mac at the time being. So maybe it's something related to this here. I don't know if the Mac OS version that they're playing would be different, or how they're playing. Oh, there's a Mac version here. It might be different results for you. I don't know. My configuration isn't particularly weird. It's an i5 7400 and then 8 gigs of RAM and then integrated graphics. I don't know. A weird crash that it doesn't give me an error. It gave me an error the first time about memory, but I got hit when playing that round of it, or whatever you want to say. So yeah, just kind of a weird issue, I suppose. But the game is playable up to that point. And oh, I also forgot to mention that I tried to install this on a different computer that had an i7-4790 in it, and it played the game fine. I didn't play it for very long. I played it maybe half an hour to test it out on there, and it ran fine. But maybe it just localized to this system. Also, it's possible because this doesn't. It might rely on something 16-bit here. How about we do this? Hello, everyone. So this segment is going to be fast forwarded through. There's not much to show here. I go through and try to install Wine VDM and see if having the availability to use 16-bit applications fixes the issue that's occurring, and it does nothing. It's like me 20 minutes of going through and just trying to figure out what's going on. Also, I recommend that if you decide to play this game, to get the Steam version, because it'll most likely work fine. This also might be just a case on my personal own computer that I use to test this on, as I couldn't find other instances of this happening. So yeah, let's continue to the conclusion of this video. So yeah, that was installing Fallout 1, the original one, on Windows 11. And our success rate is like a 50% because it crashes when the rat comes after us. If you're good at this game and you want to do a no-hit run, it's perfect. If you want to enjoy this game or play it for the first time. So, I want to thank everyone for watching. This was quite a bit of fun. The fact that the rat crashes, it just, I don't know, I find it pretty funny. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of tech stuff.